Hey guys, it's me, Risa. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. Before I show you this video, I needed to make a correction. When I made this Kasha recipe with my mother, she said that you do not turn the stove top on, and you do turn the stove top to a medium heat when you're drying out the Kasha with the egg. To like a medium heat, a medium low heat, and you keep stirring, but you have to constantly watch because you don't want it to burn. So my mom's turning 89 next week and she's getting a little forgetful. We all get forgetful, and I'm like a lot younger than her and I forget things. So I did change it up when I came back on the second part of the video, but I just wanted you to know at the beginning part that there was a correction. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it. It's super delicious. She uses the half grain buckwheat. You can buy it at a bulk food store, and I really hope you love it. And tell me and share and like and continue to subscribe. Bye for now. Mistake. My mom and I were making the Kasha recipe. It's her recipe. I haven't made it before. And she said that you don't turn on the stove when you're drying out the Kasha, the buckwheat, the half grain that she likes. So I just wanted to let you know. She's going to be 89 next week. She's forgetting things. And I did mention it in the middle of the video, but I thought I'd better tell you at the beginning of the video before you watch it that you definitely have to put it on so that it dries out. You need a little bit of heat, okay? And you do have to stir it. She is correct that way. But hey, we all make mistakes and we get a little older and a little bit more forgetful. So I hope you enjoy this video. Bye for now. Guys, it's me, Risa. I'm in my mother's kitchen and I'm holding my phone today because I didn't bring my regular stand. So bear with us. Today we're going to make Kasha for you guys. A lot of people have been asking how my mother, Molly, makes it. So we're going to teach you how my mother, the professional, makes it. I just wanted to say thank you for subscribing and sharing my recipes. Continue to do so. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. I know I do. It's amazing. So we're going to start right now. My mother
We have 1 cup of Kasha in the pot, and now we have to put the other cup in.
Yeah, so she's going to put it in the pot.
Yeah. Right. And then you take an egg.
Take an egg, okay, and she buys these from Costco. Just, is it an extra large?
Yeah.
Large or extra large egg, and you put it in,
Right.
okay, in the pot.
That's right. And then you start.
You put it on the oven?
Not yet.
Oh, no. So you don't turn the oven on yet, and you just start to mix it, okay?
Yeah.
So she's going to mix it and incorporate it.
You have to mix it and keep mixing it until the Kasha is dry, and it usually doubles in size.
Okay.
Okay, so
The other thing my mother already did is she took a VIDALIA onion and she fried it in a little bit of margarine, and it's right here.
couple of tablespoons.
A couple of tablespoons. And she's boiling up some water, and she's going to make these delicious bow ties.
No, the bow ties.
Yeah, for the water. In the water, that's what...
The water's there. The boiling water will go in here to cook the Kasha after it gets dried.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but that water is for the
For the bow ties.
That's what I said. Yeah, for the bow ties. Okay.
So,
And she's boiled up some water, like she said, to add over the Kasha. And she doesn't measure, she just covers it, and we'll show you what we mean. So she's just stirred it in, but she hasn't turned on the oven yet.
no, this has to be completely dry, and it'll start to double in size.
Okay. See, and I thought that she turned on the oven to do that, but she doesn't.
No. This has to dry first.
Right.
Yeah.
Should I put the pasta in now? It's boiled.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm just going to take the pasta. The water's boiled.
And it's got salt.
And
in
of
it.
course she put salt in it. So I'm just going to add it.
That's right.
Okay. And I always mix it so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Okay.
I don't usually cover it.
Okay. She doesn't cover it. All right. I'm going to. It's not easy holding my phone, people. Okay. Let's get in here.
Okay, Risa, you can put a little salt and pepper in here because we like to do it as we go along.
So I'm just adding a bit of pepper.
Yeah, whatever you want, as much as you like. Okay. Okay, that's good.
Okay, some pepper.
Salt.
And some salt.
Okay.
Okay, just a bit in the onions, okay?
Yeah. We do as we go along.
As we go along.
See how this is getting dry, but you have to make sure.
Right.
See, and it'll practically double in size.
And Kasha, which is buckwheat, is really, really healthy. It has so many benefits. You can have it for breakfast. You can have it for lunch, for dinner, just on its own, with pasta, without pasta.
Yes.
It's super amazing. I know some people on my group have posted pictures. They love it too.
Yeah.
So you're still doing that for a while, Mom?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You have to use.
Okay, we're back and we've boiled up water, and the kasha does need to be on a low to medium heat for it to dry, okay? So do that and then boil up your water. My mother does not measure. She just pours over the water, and she said that it doesn't matter. Pour it right over.
Yeah.
Until it's just over.
A little bit more.
A little bit more.
Yeah, that's good.
And even if there's a little bit more water, she said it's okay.
Okay.
Okay? And then you're going to cover it. We're going to cover it.
Okay.
And
we're going to set the timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, and we will be back again. The kasha. Just zoom in. And we just added the fried onions, okay? My mom's going to add in, Molly, some salt and pepper to taste. Again, you know that I tell you, what do you need to do? Taste everything.
Okay.
Okay, so she put that in.
Yeah.
And you're going to mix it.
Yeah. Turn it off.
Turn off the stove.
Okay.
So you let it cook for 15 minutes. You just put the water over it, the boiling water. And I forgot this spoon, so I have to bring her the wooden spoon. Do you want me to mix it? She's going to mix it. Just incorporate the onions. And as you see, we've boiled up the 2 cups of bow tie pasta.
Okay.
And
we've only got the margarine that we fried the onions in.
yeah, so she just uses some margarine to fry up the onions, and that's it.
Unless you
like more, you taste it. If you want to add it when you add the pasta, you can do that. Again, my mother's recipe is what? Versatile. Okay.
Okay, now that's all done.
Put it in.
Yeah.
So she's going to mix it. I'm just going to zoom in.
See, 2 cups of pasta.
Yeah.
2 cups of
Kasha.
kasha.
Very easy. And Mom, what kind of kasha do you use?
It's the half grain.
Half grain kasha she likes only. Now, if you,
Not the whole.
not the whole. She doesn't like those balls of kasha. We never have that. We like the half grain. And she buys it at John Vince, but wherever you can find it, it's a bulk store.
Yeah.
Most bulk stores you can check and ask, and hopefully you find it and you can make it too.
Yeah, if you buy it in the box, you know, you don't get much.
And there it is. It looks delicious.
Okay, now Risa, you can taste it.
Okay, I can taste it.
Here.
Okay, my mom's letting me taste it.
You tell
What
me.
about-
Tell me if it needs any. Doesn't need any margarine. Any more margarine?
No, it is so good. Mom, what do you have to say?
Enjoy. I hope you really enjoy it.
Yes.
We love it.
And my daughter and my whole family really loves this recipe. So bye for now. Mwah. Take care from Molly's Kitchen. Love you guys.